Welcome to MG.Auto, your go-to channel for everything automotive, where we dive deep into the latest vehicles, deliver honest reviews, and explore every detail that matters to car enthusiasts. Today, we're shifting gears into the world of luxury and performance as we take a close look at Rolls-Royce. Known for its unmatched elegance, iconic heritage, and world-class craftsmanship, Rolls-Royce continues to set the benchmark for ultra-luxury automobiles. In this video, we'll be reviewing some of the most renowned Rolls-Royce models, including the Phantom, Ghost, and Cullinan. Each model represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. The Phantom, often considered the flagship of the Rolls-Royce lineup, is a true masterpiece. From its powerful V12 engine to the serene comfort of its handcrafted interior, the Phantom redefines what it means to travel in style. Its advanced technology seamlessly blends with classic design, offering both driver and passenger an extraordinary experience on the road. Moving to the Rolls-Royce Ghost, it brings a slightly more modern and minimalist take on luxury. While still powered by a refined V12 engine, the Ghost emphasizes a more dynamic driving experience. With features like all-wheel drive and the innovative planar suspension system, the Ghost delivers a smooth yet responsive ride that feels like floating on air. Inside, ambient lighting, rich leather, and the iconic Starlight headliner create an environment of calm sophistication. Next up is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the brand's first SUV and a bold statement in the luxury off-road segment. Designed to combine robust capability with the opulence expected from Rolls-Royce, the Cullinan offers supreme comfort on any terrain. With spacious rear seating, panoramic views, and intelligent features like adaptive air suspension, the Cullinan ensures that no journey is too challenging or uncomfortable. In terms of specs, Rolls-Royce vehicles are powered by potent twin-turbocharged V12 engines that deliver smooth, effortless performance. These engines are paired with sophisticated 8-speed automatic transmissions that ensure quiet and refined acceleration. Features such as rear-wheel steering, self-leveling suspension, and cutting-edge driver assistance systems contribute to an experience that's as intelligent as it is luxurious. Design is another area where Rolls-Royce stands apart. From the iconic Pantheon grille to the Spirit of Ecstasy ornament that graces every hood, each vehicle is a statement of timeless beauty. Inside, every surface is carefully crafted with the finest materials, whether it's open-pore wood, hand-stitched leather, or bespoke customization that caters to each owner's desires. Rolls-Royce is not just about cars, it's about an experience, a presence, and a legacy. These vehicles aren't built to compete, they're built to inspire. Whether you're a fan of their classic style, cutting-edge features, or simply the dream of owning one Samita,